between test flights, 002 lasers long and sleek in her West Country lair, a devoted retinue dancing constant attendance. Although military planes regularly fly faster than sound, travelling in Concorde will be the first time that fare-paying passengers will have this awesome privilege. Will it be safe? The answer is yes, as never before. Because of the completely different task it will have to perform compared with all previous airliners, Concorde's flight problems have been more fully researched than any previous aircraft in history. This piece of metal was on a military aircraft which flew through a rainstorm at a mere 500 miles an hour. The pitting of the metal is due entirely to the impact of the raindrops. This sample of windscreen glass endured the same rain for a few short minutes. This radome is made of specially toughened plastic. It's the nose of a supersonic fighter that got caught in a shower. It's unlikely that at Concorde's colossal cruising heights there'll be any rain. Unlikely, but just possible. So what happens when an aircraft hits rain at Mach 2 must be carefully examined and understood, and then the cure can be found for a problem that may never arise. This scientist is making an artificial cobweb from perspex dissolved in aniline. This apparatus makes a drop of water the exact size he wants. With this nitrogen gun, he'll fire a piece of perspex to hit that water drop fair and square at the speed of sound. This camera will film the moment of impact at the unbelievable speed of 8 million pictures in 1 second. The 800 miles an hour perspex bullet is stopped almost instantly by these rubber washers. And this is a micro photo of the damage done by just one little raindrop. Now let's see the high-speed film. The scientists have discovered that as the drop spreads sideways, it accelerates to 4 times the impact speed. In this case, that's 3,200 miles an hour. This powerful electric motor of some considerable vintage was once used for testing propellers. Now it helps the Concorde program by whirling samples of material around at the speed of sound. And rain can be added to taste. When Concorde flies in commercial service, it will be the world's first aircraft to have a certificate of performance in rain.